In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your pricing in TintBolt. It's a really straightforward way. Let's get through it. First, you want to head into Services on the Booking tab. Go into Automotive Tinting. This is where you select your film preferences. Go to Install Prices. We have in TintBolt a system of install packages or install types. Before we get into the individual install types, I'll cover quickly the vehicle-wide sale and price increase. It allows for you to automatically apply a sale or a price increase. So I'm going to quickly set a sale. You just click it, quick price increase or sale. The number has to be a negative value. So we're going to negate 15%. Excuse me, 15% off of the standard price. So we go here, you'll see there's standard, premium, and prestige. That's the three tiers that we use in TintBolt. So on the standard price, we will be doing a 15% discount. So I'll enable it and then I will save it. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a moment. TintBolt is showing you that there is a 15% discount on the rear installs, but it's going to be on everything. So here you got rear installs, you click on that, update your pricing. Then you're going to want to set your durations. Just understand that there is no multi-day booking in TintBolt. Services over 1 day will not be bookable for the moment. We will be adding in multi-day booking in the future. So then you set your duration, your minimum duration, your maximum duration. What this will do is TintBolt will if you have it set, TintBolt will block off the maximum duration from your scheduling. So if you have, let's say you work from 10 o'clock to 6 p.m. and your rear installs, for example, are maxed at 3 hours, then if somebody books for 10 o'clock, they book on your website, they book at 10, TintBolt will block off that 3 hours. So the next block or time block available or time slot available will be 1 p.m. in this case. We have the service specific sale price. So you don't need to have this set. This will apply to all sedan, but if you don't want to set a price for all of sedan, you can set the price for the individual service type as well, or set sales and price increases to the individual service type. And then finally, we have the not offered in. If you only do front windshields with, say, ceramic film, so your prestige film, then you would want to check standard and premium so that it's not offered. So for example, front windshield, actually, I'll turn this on and then let me save it. Every change you make, you're going to want to save it, and then I'll show you guys what this kind of looks like as well. Update your custom pricing. What you'll do is you'll select what brand, and then the model, and then the body type, and then you can set those individual prices and set sales to them. Go over to my website, and then I'll show you what this vehicle-wide promotion looks like, or sale in this case looks like. All right, let's go. We're back at the S3 Tint website, which again is my own personal little tint business here in Calgary, Alberta. So on S3 Tint, you see this. This is not usually here. Only when there's a sale, you see we have up to 15% off sedan install packages on sale on the standard film. So that's how that works. So if I go to Tint My Ride, let's go to the Acura ILX, for example. Actually, I really like just using the TLX as an example. This is on the standard. So as you can see, front windshield is unselectable. So if you want to block off certain films from being installed on certain types of windows, from certain installs, you can do that easily with TintBolt. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.